There was once a teacher who gave a surprise test to her students. She distributed the papers, and the students realized that the papers were empty. There was only one single thing on it, a big black dot. So the students were confused, and so waited for the further instructions. The teacher said, "Write what you see. Write what you see." So the students started writing. They wrote about the size of it, the place where it is placed, the color, the black color, and so on and so forth. And once they had finished, they submitted the papers. The teacher went through all the papers, and she said to them, "See, you all have written well, but all of you focused only on the black dot that is in the middle of the paper. None of you wrote about the blank space, the white space around the dot." The paper was blank. There was a black dot in the middle, all focused on it. No one wrote anything about the white space. Dear brothers and sisters, at times our vision can be limited like this. We may notice only the black dots of our lives while missing the larger picture of hope and possibilities. And that is exactly what's happened in today's first reading in the life of Gideon. In the first reading, we have heard the call of Gideon. Gideon is called by God to deliver his people. He's a judge, not a judge in the courtroom setting, but a judge to deliver the people. So whenever the people went astray from God, worshipped other God, they were punished. And they cried out to God, and God sent the judges to deliver them. And today, we saw that the people were suffering from the persecution of the Midianites, and so the angel of the Lord comes to Gideon. Now Gideon is threshing the wheat in hiding. Why? Because he's fearful that the enemy might come and take away the little grain that he has. The angel of the Lord in this moment of fear appears to him and says, "The Lord is with you, you mighty man of valor." The Lord is with you, you mighty man of valor. In some other translation, it is called, "The Lord is with you, mighty warrior." And Gideon is shocked. How can this be? I am not a mighty man. The Gideon only saw the black dots of his life, the weaknesses, the failures. And so he could not understand. He even said, "My clan is weakest, and I am the least in my family."